Hey guys, it is time for another Twosun knife review. So I told you in the last review that I got another one coming my way, and here it is. It actually just came today, and Twosun's packaging, it's decent. I mean, the interesting thing though is that all of them are the same. There's no model numbers or anything on the outside. It just says Twosun, made in China. All right, so got a Chinese knife, and then after you take the outside sleeve off, you got the plain brown paper box, and then inside here we should have a very small knife. So I actually bought this one off of eBay, but it was, I think, 66 bucks is what I ended up paying for it. But there you have it. This is called the TS41, which is a very tiny, as you can see, it's about the size of my middle finger, maybe just a shade less than my middle finger there. So the closed length on this, I believe, is 2 inches, or sorry, 2 and 14/16 of an inch. So just shy of 3 inches on the closed length. You do have a titanium frame, and it has a interesting design on there. It kind of looks like a cross, but there you got the pocket clip, and I think it's pretty cool that the pocket clip, when you look straight on, you almost don't see it because it is sculpted very much like the frame. It's that exact shape as that little cross feature on the frame. So I think that's pretty cool. I like the pocket clip. It does reside very tight up next to the frame, and you don't have a bunch of bull crap sticking out here at the end, flaring out and getting in the way. So I like that. It is a flipper style, and you do have some jimping on the flipper. And so this is going to be a light switch type flip. So let's go ahead and flip that out. So these tiny knives, I have trouble holding them and flipping, but there we go. Ooh, very nice action on that. I'm going to try that again because that flipped out really easy. Oh yeah, super easy. Very nice. There you go. You got the satin finish with the Twosun emblem on that blade. Now the blade is only 1 inch or 1 1/16 inch. So there you go. And you do have some nice jimping back there on the spine. And that does feel pretty good in the hand, even though it's tiny. This is I'll call it, for me, a 2.5 finger knife. You do have a little finger choil right there that your first finger resides in, and it's a little tight for my finger. And I don't know, my fingers are not huge. I have a I wear a medium-sized glove. So yeah, there we go. That fits in there. Okay. Then we got finger number 2, and then finger number 3 kind of fits on there. It does give you a little bit more control, definitely more than the Hummingbird, which I just reviewed. This one's definitely a lot easier to carry in your hand, or at least fit in your hand, than the Hummingbird. So I like that. And then the other really cool thing is, look at that, M390 blade steel on a less than $70 knife. M390 super steel. So that's actually the reason why I bought this. I wanted to see what a sub $70 knife in M390 looked like. And there we go. Kind of got like a Warncliffe type blade on there, and it looks like a high saber grind, almost full flat grind. I mean, we got just a little bit up here at the top, so that's flat. So that's not quite a full saber, or not quite a full flat, but it looks slicey to me. we'll find out here shortly. It's a very light knife, and I can't remember exactly what the weight on this tiny thing is, but I'll put it right there in text. But it's very light. It feels a little handle heavy maybe, but it's actually pretty nicely balanced. About right there. So it is a little bit handle heavy, but yeah, it works. So it is on ceramic bearings. So, you know, for such a tiny knife, you get some really nice materials and features. And I'll show you how this thing closes. Very falsetty, and it does have a really nice detent to it. It is not going to come out just with gravity, as you can see, but it does come out real nice with the flipper. I mean, I just barely push on it and it comes right out. Centering on that is perfect, as you can see, and it is a fairly decently thick blade stock there. So it looks hardy, and man, I like that action on there. It comes out super nice, super nice. It is a frame lock, of course, and the lock on that is very early and looks perfect. Looks perfect. You do have a hardened steel insert in there, which is nice, pretty common. And you can see the little screw there for that steel insert right there. And then basically, you know, you got a little bit of jimping here on the back. I don't know, I mean, you're not really going to hold that reverse grip because, you know, that jimping is not going to be useful for anything. You know, if you had, I guess maybe if you held it like that with your pinky out, but that would be stupid. So yeah, I don't think that's, I mean, it's attractive, but it doesn't really do anything functionally. Yeah, there you go. There's the Twosun. Let's check that blade. Let's check the blade on it. See if she comes sharp. Yep, there we go. Got a little trouble getting started, but very nice. Very sharp. So that's, you know, the last one. This is only the second Twosun I've had in my hand, but that TS41 came super duper sharp. This one, maybe not quite as sharp as the TS41, but I mean, it's still really sharp. Plus, you got a smaller blade, so it's going to be a little bit harder to get, you know, get it going here. But yeah, I mean, that's very decent, very nice. Yeah, it is getting hung up every now and then. Might be a little burr on there, maybe, I don't know, but it actually is, for the most part, slicing very, very nicely, especially for a little tiny blade like that. So I'd say Twosun, you got it. You know, you're doing a good job on the honing from the factory. So I mean, yeah, that's sharp. Let's do the Bed K catalog that we've been destroying. Probably have to switch this one out soon. But ooh, there you go. You can get yourself a little staff that also you can beat people with. How cool is that? All right, so let's go ahead and slice that page. Yeah, she's sharp. Yeah, there's like a little spot right back here that it's getting hung up a little bit, but you know, overall, it's very nicely honed. Yeah. All right. Enough of that. Enough of that. So there you go, guys. The TS41 with M390 steel. So we won't have to be sharpening that probably ever, because I mean, you're not going to really hard use a knife that's this tiny. You're going to be opening boxes and opening letters and that kind of thing. You probably don't need M390 on a little blade like this, but you know, for folks that are sensitive to 3-inch plus blades, and you know, they're not when I mean sensitive to them, you're just not legally allowed to carry them in your state or your country. This is an option for you, as long as, I mean, it is a locking knife, so sometimes that's a deal breaker, but you know, if it's not, there you go. You got a little tiny blade from Twosun with really nice materials, and you know, I think the fit and finish on it is great. Maybe I mean, it's hard to be perfect, but it's pretty close. I mean, everything on there looks well done, even. I mean, I don't really see any flaws, so yeah, looks good. It is definitely a light switch style flip action on that. And man, it's almost like a little fidget device, because I just can't stop flipping it out and closing it up and flipping it out and closing it up and flipping it out and closing it up. But yeah, so that's cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Nice little tiny knife. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.